Welcome to PSSA Math 9, day number 6 of the course. This will be a brief overview of the class notes from today's class. Today we're studying percents. Percents means per 100. Here you will find an important formula we will use to solve percent problems. We can set up all percent problems as a ratio of part over whole equals percent over 100. In order to solve problems using percents, we use the ratio from the previous page. So for example, what percent of 100 is 5? The secret here is to set up the proportion. Part is to whole as percent is to 100. We know for all proportions the cross products are equal. So 5 times 100 equals 100 times x. Multiply 5 times 100, divide by 100, x are unknown, equals 5. So 5 is 5% of 100. The next problem can be solved the same way. What number is 20% of 400? What number is 20% of 400? 20 has a percent sign, so it always goes here. 100 always there. Of 400, 400 is the whole. Our x is here. Cross multiply and divide. X equals 80. 80 is 20% of 400. What number is 20% of 250? 20% over 100. 250 is the whole. X is 50. 50 is 20% of 250. What number is 20% of 100? 20%, 100, 100. Cross multiply and divide. X equals 20. 20 is 20% of 100. Sometimes we can use shortcuts. What number is 50% of 144? We can certainly use our formula or the simple fact that 50% is the equivalent to 1/2. 72 is 50% of 144. To find percent, we use the same basic ratio. What percent of 200 is 10? Here are unknown as percent. 100 always here. Part 10, 200 whole. Cross products are equal to each other. Cross multiply and divide. X equals 5. 5% is our final answer. 10 is 5% of 200. What percent of 420 is 84? Set it up the same way. Cross multiply and divide. X equals 20%. 84 is 20% of 420. Finally, we can solve problems where we find another missing number. 10% of what number is 55? 100 always filled in first. Look for a number with the percent symbol. 10% comes from up here. Now the big question here is the number 55, the part or the whole. In this case, it's the part. We are searching for x, which will be the whole. So set up your proportion the right way. Cross multiply. 10x equals 55 times 100. X equals 5,500 divided by 10. X equals 550. 55 is 10% of 550. This concludes the lesson on percents for day number 6, PSSA Math 9. Thanks and have a great day.